Hello students, so today we start chapter 4 in our grammar book, affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative is a simple sentences and negative where in the sentences when we speak or when we write we write a not. Okay, so these are the negative sentences. Affirmative is a simple sentences which we used in a past, present and future. Okay, and negative is not is used. So these sentences you will definitely you will speak in your daily languages. Okay, now the sentences first is she is ill today, she is not ill today. Okay, now she is ill today, that is a affirmative and that is a negative. She is not, because in the negative sentence not is used. We have a holiday today, we have no holiday today. There is no not is used, there is no is used. Okay, we have no holiday today. Okay, she has a watch, she has no watch. Not a watch is it's a wrong sentence. Okay, in has and have there is used a no in place of not. Okay, I have something to say, I have nothing to say. Okay, in place of no not it is nothing is used. I have nothing to say. Tell everybody, don't tell everybody. Now I have nothing. Okay, this sentence you remember something in place of something. Okay, there is a nothing is used. Okay, now somebody shouted, in a opposite of somebody is nobody. Okay, nobody shouted. Work hard, don't work hard. Sita sings well. Okay, in place sings there is a use of does not. It is a negative sentences. It is right, does not, because sings is as is used. In place of as we write does not. Bats fly at night, bats do not fly at night. You see Sita is a singular. Okay, and bats is a plural. That's why here use does, and that is a plural. That's why here use do not. Okay, I can swim, that is a modal is used. In place of can there is a can't or cannot is used. It may, there is a again modal is used. May not rain, he must go there, he must not go there. We tried hard, we did not try hard, we didn't try hard, we tried is a sentence of past tense. Okay, that's why here use not. So tried is a past sentence, so in place of tried we use did not. You see in this sentence we use does not, that is a present sentence, and that is a past sentence. I have had some tea, I have not had. Okay, now he told me something, he did not tell me anything about it. In place of something we use anything. Okay, he told me, in place of told me here we write we did not tell me anything about it. I shall go tomorrow, there is again a sentence of future tense. I shall not go tomorrow. She will come today, she will not come today. She won't come today. She would obey, she would not obey, she wouldn't obey. Okay, so here these are the shortened words we use in the conservation only. They should not be used in the written composition. Okay, so here the written negative sentence written in a two ways. Okay, I do not know either Sita or Leela. I know neither Sita or Leela. Okay, this negative sentence is written in a two ways. I do not know, I know neither. Okay, so in place of these are the two kinds of negative sentences framed. Now she cannot read or write, she can neither read nor write. We did not meet anybody there. Anybody, in place of anybody we write nobody. We met nobody there. Okay, we did not meet, in place of did or meet here the past word is used, there is a met. Okay, they had not anything to eat, they had nothing to eat. We have not any work to do, we have no work to do. Okay, so these are the sentences or examples are given. In place of, you see this sentences, he is unable to do this work, he is not able. In place of unable we write not able. Not unable, he is able. In place of not unable we use able. Okay, so these are the examples are given. Okay, so you read that example and understand it very carefully. Okay, I hope you understand these sentences. Goodbye all of you.